I found 5 ways you can build business credit automatically on a monthly basis. No personal guarantee needed. No more running around signing up for a bunch of net 30 accounts and buying products that have nothing to do with your business. These 5 solutions offer products and services that any and every business can use, like helping you track all of your business credit scores and allowing you to take average business expenses like utilities and phone bills and report those payments to the business credit bureaus. Also, check out my business funding cheat sheet to get access to unsecured business lines of credit with just a 600 FICO score and $5,000 in monthly revenue. Links down below. Oh, and before I forget, you'll need to have your business formed already to get started with building business credit. So here's what I did. I went to inkfile.com and I formed my LLC here. And it just made the process really easy for me to do without having to file the paperwork myself. So definitely recommend this. I'll have a link to this below as well. So the very first way that you can build business credit on autopilot is by using a service and product called Nav. Okay, Nav is pretty incredible because they give you access to either a business basic or a business boost plan. Definitely recommend the business boost because it does a few extra things. So you're gonna get full business and personal credit reports, actionable cash flow insights, one-on-ones with credit and lending specialists, identity restoration services, 1 million identity theft protection, lost wallet replacement, follow up to 5 business credit reports, and the big one, which really makes it invaluable, is the trade line reporting for business credit support. So what does that do? It says with regular on-time payments, trade line reporting may help establish your business credit rating. So what happens here is that your monthly payments for Business Boost will be reported as a positive trade line to all major credit commercial bureaus. Positive trade lines can improve cash flow, help business credit with on-time payments, and demonstrate financial responsibility in the eyes of lenders. So it's a 2-for-1, access to powerful tools while simultaneously building your business credit through consistent payments. So let's jump over and see what they report to. So it says right here, Business Boost is going to report to Dun and Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax business. And so all with no risk of negative payment history. So it's going to be reporting to multiple business credit bureaus, which is immensely valuable because you don't want to just report to one. You want to report to as many different bureaus as possible, getting the good word out about your positive payment history on those net 30 terms. And so if we go back and see what scores they actually give you, they give you your Intellis Plus V2 score, your DNB Paydex score, Equifax Business Delinquency Score, FICO SBSS, TransUnion Vantage 3.0, that's on the personal side, and Experian Vantage on your personal side. So you're getting access to all those scores. They also have the identity restoration, lost wallet replacement, and 1 million identity theft insurance. So just so you are aware before you sign up for the service, it may not appear on your credit report as NAV. So let's take a look at this. Why doesn't NAV's name appear on my business credit report? So almost all business credit reports do not include the name of the company or business with which you have a trade line, instead including the industry. So however, NAV has built a tool to identify when a NAV trade line appears on your business's credit reports for the first time, and we will send you an alert when we identify that the trade line has now appeared. I think what makes NAV so powerful is that you get access to all your scores, and plus you kind of get all those financial insights into how fundable your business is just through the NAV app, and it reports as a net 30 account. So you're just knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone. So another place you can go to build your business credit on autopilot is Tillful. And Tillful has 2 products, all right? Not a lot of people know about the second product, but let's get into it. So Tillful has a Tillful card. It's a secure business card that builds business credit. And the cool thing about this is you're starting to earn rewards on a secure card. So you earn 1% rate and rewards on business purchases. Does not require a personal guarantee. So it will not affect your personal credit at all. And then you're getting monthly payments, no daily or weekly due dates. It reports to Experian and other major credit agencies. And we'll talk about those agencies in a second. And no bank balance minimum requirement and no annual fee, 0% APR, and it doesn't affect your personal credit. So here's how you get set up. You have to do basically a 3-minute application, and then you activate. Once you're approved, you activate your card by making a secure deposit, minimum of $500, but you can make more. Your card will be ready to use in less than 5 days, so that's pretty quick. And then you start building credit. All on-time payments will be reported monthly to Experian and other credit agencies. And so those credit agencies are going to be Experian, Equifax, and Dun and Bradstreet is coming soon. So they're expanding, okay, how many agencies they're going to report to. So they're already at multiple agencies will be reported to. So a big question is, how do you qualify for the Tillful business credit card? And it's going to say to qualify for the Tillful card, your business needs to be incorporated in the US with a valid EIN. Okay, so like we said earlier, you want to go to InkFile, sign up, and set up your LLC, get your EIN number, which can be very quick, and then come back and start applying for different methods to start building your business credit, like the Tillful card. So you also need to be incorporated for a minimum of 3 months, not to be in any restricted industry specified by Sutton Bank. And so what I found restricted industries to be is like lending. So if you're in the ATM business, or if you're in a business like that's X-rated, okay, that's also restricted. If you're in like the medicinal industries, then that's going to be an issue. But if you're not in any of those very few restricted industries, then it's not going to be an issue. Number 4, have the Tillful credit account and be in compliance with all terms and conditions set forth. All right, so that's how you get approved and how you qualify. So it says, why are you asking for my social security number? They don't do a personal guarantee here, but they're asking is to verify your identity. We do not use your social security number to pull your personal credit or any other reason. There's no personal guarantee. All right, so don't be worried about that. Does Tillful do a hard pull? No, we do not conduct a hard inquiry or hard pull on your personal credit or business credit. Eligibility is based primarily on your company's profile. So here's where I want to show you the next step that makes this even more powerful. It's a 2-for-1, just like the NAV program, but in a little bit of a different way. Let's talk about it. So Tillful has a program called Tillful Credit Builder, right? It is a safe way and reliable way to build your business credit, upgrade to our premium subscription, and get trade lines reporting to Experian, Equifax, and Dun Bradstreet coming soon. So here's what you need to sign up for this program. Be an active Tillful user, connect your bank and credit accounts to get your Tillful business health score and unlock cash flow insights, and then subscribe to Credit Builder. Choose the price that works for your business. It's an easy 2-for-1 if you pay with your Tillful card, and then you can start building credit. So here's a little bit about how this Credit Builder works. All right, so we report automatically monthly to the major business credit bureaus. You must make monthly payments for the Tillful Credit Builder for your trade line to be reported. It will show up as an on-time payment. We do not report if you cancel your subscription or if you miss payments. And here's the big key. Tillful Credit Builder reports as a financial services trade line at the amount of your monthly subscription. So if you're paying $20 a month or $50 a month, it's going to report that amount on a monthly basis. So essentially, you're going to be reporting 2 financial trade lines. One, when you're using the Tillful secured business card, is going to be one financial trade line. And then when you're using the Tillful business credit builder, that's going to be your second trade line. And that's going to be on the amount that you decide to choose as a monthly subscription amount. And so it says right here, it's going to be between $20 and $50 per month, like I said earlier. Also, it says, note that higher amounts may have a bigger impact on your business credit score. So if you really want to have a large impact on that score, the higher you go, the more positively it's going to look. And listen, I'll have links below to all of these options, so definitely check out the description if you want to learn more. The next solution for building business credit on automatic is going to be Red Spectrum. So it says business credit made simple. Give your business a chance to obtain an excellent trade line on your business credit report. Getting a high limit trade line to your business credit report will help establish a strong business credit profile. So it says the business builder will help you increase your credit limit and get that initial boost your business needs. And so by purchasing the business builder product, you will receive monthly reporting to your business credit report. And so it's considered a net 30 vendor account. So here's what they provide you. All right, so there's really 2 options. The first option is you can go with ebooks, audiobooks, and video, and that's going to be related to business. So running a business requires knowledge and skill. Make a purchase of any of our products and get a net 30 vendor account. All right, so these are business related. This can be for any business. You can start building your business from scratch, web design, logo design. They have things like that. But if you want to skip all of that and you just want another vendor account reporting on your business credit profile, all you can do is quick checkout, and what you have here is basically a business builder account. So it basically has a $99 setup fee and then a $54.95 per month reporting fee. And so what you'll be charged is $54.95 a month for this to report on your business credit reports on a monthly basis. And it's going to give you, starting out, a $3,500 credit limit potentially. And it says right here, with every new purchase of the Red Spectrum, you'll receive an additional $1,500 credit limit. Get your business builder, increase your credit limit, and we'll send send you credit limit reports every single month. And so even down here, you can purchase more and increase your limit even more, plus $3,500, plus $10,000, and then plus $25,000 for this option. And so the big question is, how will this actually report? What business bureaus will this report to? And so they report to Equifax Business. That's what they report to right now. And so a big question is, can I get more than one trade line? It says, once you make your first purchase, we provide you with opportunities to increase your credit limit, which we discussed earlier. And then you get your other trade lines to grow faster by making ongoing purchases with us. Here's a service that you might appreciate, and they actually offer is a credit reference letters. So a credit reference letter can help you get approved for services based on your dealings with suppliers you've previously used. The reference provider vouchers for you. And so these letters are also called letters of good standing, and don't hesitate to contact us if you need one. Next is Credit Strong. So it says strong credit can really help your business. Build business credit using an EIN, and that's just your EIN here. Our accounts report up to $25,000 installment account to major business credit bureaus using your company's EIN. So not the personal side, and it's going to be a very high amount if you choose to save that. So it works in 4 steps. You apply for an account in just minutes. No hard pull on your credit profile. You select a plan and they open an installment loan for your company that reports to the business bureaus. 3, the loan proceeds are locked in a business savings account to secure the loan, making on-time monthly payments to build your profile. And number 4, every monthly payment builds payment history and savings. So here's your choices. You can start off with a small savings account of $2,500, but you can go all the way up to $25,000. So it's going to change your numbers. So here you have 2 options. You can go with a savings account that charges interest, or you can go with one that doesn't charge interest. But here's the thing, if you choose the one that doesn't charge interest, then you're going to have a higher one-time fee up front. And so if you choose to do it that way, you're actually going to be saving money in the long run, because the total cost is only going to be $349 as opposed to $524 for the option with the interest rate, but a smaller upfront one-time fee. So what is the Credit Strong Business Credit Builder account? So it says a Credit Strong Business Builder account is a combination of cash secure commercial installment loan and a commercial savings bank account. At origination, the funds from the loan are deposited into the savings account as collateral for the loan, and a lock is placed on the savings account for the life of the loan. You might want to know what is required to open a Credit Strong business account. And that's going to be on the business side. You're going to have a registered EIN. Okay. That's with the IRS, be at least 3 months old, be an LLC, partnership, or corporation, and be located in the US and have a physical US address, place of business. And on the individual side, you have to own at least 25% of the business, have no co-owner that individually owns 25% or more of the business, be 18 years old and a US resident, and a valid social security number and a driver's license or passport. And the one that really matters the most is, what credit bureaus does the Credit Strong business account report to? And they report to Equifax Business, PayNet, and Small Business Financial Exchange. And they even have plans to expand into reporting to Experian and Dun Bradstreet in the near future. If you are second guessing the loan, you can actually cancel it early. It says you may cancel or close your Credit Strong Business Credit Builder account at any time with no prepayment or early termination fee. All right, so the next solution to build that business credit on autopilot is going to be eCredible. And so this has a different twist to it. So eCredible Business says turn bills into business credit trade lines. Raise your business credit scores at multiple credit bureaus simultaneously only with eCredible Business Lift. And so it's going to report to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, CreditSafe, and Experian. So this has the most reporting going on here. So the cost of this is going to be $49.95 to set up initially, and then another $9.95 per month for the reporting on a monthly basis. So it says link up to unlimited eligible business account types: electricity, water, gas, certain mobile phones, cable TV, satellite TV, internet, and landline. Requires online account access to the service provider's website for this to work. Will attempt to download the maximum amount of payment history your service provider makes available online, up to 24 months. We automatically report your monthly business phone, internet, and utility payments to business credit bureaus. Only your eCredible Business subscription is reported to Dun & Bradstreet and Experian at this time. And so here's an additional service that seems pretty cool. So for accounts that are unable to be linked, the on-demand account verification process authorizes eCredible to verify accounts over the phone manually and report up to 24 months of payment history to Equifax and CreditSafe. You may request an on-demand account verification at any time at the cost of $24.95 per account on demand, and the account will will be reported one time per request. So your name must be on the account, you must be contractually responsible for payment, and all accounts must be used in the operation of your business. For example, if you write off a portion of your home apartment or your taxes as business expense, you can link all utilities associated with your dwelling as a business account. This is huge because that means that even if you work from home, like I work from home, that means that I could use Credible to link the accounts I use to pay my utility payments and have that reported to the business credit bureaus. So personally, I think these are better than using, a dozen different net 30 accounts. So I think this is going to make a lot more sense to many businesses out there that can't get good use out of printing t-shirts or buying office supplies, but they still want to build their business credit. So building business credit is a long process. You need a way to get access to funding at the very beginning when your business is formed and you have no revenue. So check out the next video to learn exactly how that's possible. Thank you for watching.